Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is week 17 of 2023 and today we'll be discussing some of the key events that happened last week and also the market outlook for the upcoming week. So let's get started. So on a week to week basis, Nifty is down by 204 points, which is close to 1%, and it closed at 17,624, which is above the 17,600 level. And Bank Nifty has really outperformed Nifty this week, and it is at 42,150, which is just minus 14 point from previous week. So this week was really a sideways market as expected. And if you see the last week's video, I told that it will be in a range bound scenario from 17,600 to 18,000. This will be the 400 point range, but actually Nifty moved within 250 points only. And the Monday high was 17,863, and from then it went to 17,553 on the lower side, and it kept on moving between this. So it took multiple support at 17,550, 570, and every time, every day it closed above 17,600, and the weekly closing is also above 17,600. So yeah, definitely Nifty is trying to hold the 17,600 level, and there is a buying pressure every time it is going down. Now coming back to this week's news, so we have Reliance result and ICICI result. Both has beat the market estimate quite wonderfully. So definitely this will be a trigger for next week. So if we see Reliance result, it is 19.7% increment on quarter to quarter on their PAT, and the overall profitability came at 21,327 crore, and their O2C business, that is oil to chemical business, has really done great on this quarter. The top line has declined due to lesser oil prices, but the expenses was also very low because they probably has had bought oil from Russia, which is at a much cheaper rate. And ICICI result also beat the estimate quite well. The overall PAT came around 9,122 crores, which is a 30% year on year. And net interest income is at 17,667 crore, which is a 40% jump year on year. So yeah, this too will be a great trigger for next week, definitely. But it's a time to be cautious in market, because the VIX is at ultra low. It's a multi-year low, I should say, and it closed around 11.63 on Friday. And practically, I am not holding any position for this weekend, and it is a very dicey scenario where it is exactly at a make or break level. So if it cannot hold this position and seller gets activated, so definitely we will see a down move, which is not that much likely in my opinion. But definitely we have to be very cautious at this moment. Until and unless we find a good trigger, market will also not shoot up well. So yeah, I do not have any kind of view as of now for this upcoming 1 or 2 weeks, and we will see all the global cues and local cues, and once we get some trigger, then only market will react to it. But yeah, definitely there is no sign of huge bearishness as of now, and I am not expecting a big down move from here. So on a broad level, I will be watching 17,600 level very closely. Once it breaks, it will enable the downside move for Nifty and also Bank Nifty. And on the upside, 17,700 will be a huge resistance as of now. So once it breaks, we will start seeing some move. But for this week, I am not ready to hold a lot of position in this ultra low fix environment. So I will wait and look for some cues for 1 or 2 days, and if I get a clear direction based on that view, I will be going into further trades. So yeah, trade safe and closely watch all the market cues. That's what it is. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.